Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad Pro and let me show you how to set up emoji wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then go to wallpaper if you are not in this panel and mark add new wallpaper. Click on emoji and here you can select the emojis that you want to have on your screen. Here you can scroll through all of them, you can select by category, however you like. You can add up to 6 emojis, for example, like that. And now you can set dynamic, grid, large or radial. There's also spiral feature, so just pick the layout that you like the most. If you want, you can customize the font and color of date time. Just however you like, and once you want to apply it, just mark add. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only or you want to set a wallpaper pair. And as you can see, that's it. From now on you've got this emoji wallpaper on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.